we will discuss about the next concepts in the group, that is cosets. Okay, here we have to think about the left coset and right coset. The definition may be asked for 2 marks, or one of the MCQs may be framed on this. Okay, so what is the coset? Or first of all, we see the left coset. Suppose H is a subgroup of group G. For any A belongs to G, the subset HA of G is called left coset of H in G and is defined as AH is nothing but a set of all AH such that H belongs to. See what it's implies or says. If we have a group, that is, let us see the integers with an addition operation is a group. Okay, obviously it consists of 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So negative 1, negative 2, negative 3 and so on. Okay, this we know that this is a group. Okay. So for any, and we have to think about that is suppose H is a subgroup. Okay, so obviously the Z, that is positive integers with addition, is nothing but a group. Okay, including the 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. This is a subgroup. So this is a subgroup of this group G. If we take any element of a group, right? So let us see that H is a subgroup of a group G, and for any A belongs to G, the subset HA of G. The subset HA of G is called a left coset of H in G and is defined as H in G. G के अंदर रहेगा. Let us see that as here A is equal to some 2. Okay, so the left coset, that is AH, which is 2H. H is nothing but a set of all this such that all the elements of H are belonging to the subgroup. Okay, so this is the subgroup. Let us say denoted by H. Okay, H plus. These are the positive integers. So it is set of all AH. AH means the 2 zeros are 0, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 10, 12 and so on. Okay, this is nothing but the left coset. Similar way we can define the right coset. The suppose H is a subgroup of a group G. For any A belongs to G, the subset HA of G is called right coset of H in G and is defined as AH is equal to HA such that H belongs to G. Say we will define that there is a right coset, there is a 2HA, which if we take 2, this you find that is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and so on. Okay, this is called as a right coset. And what we find, this we find that it implies that from this 1 and 2 we find that 2H is equal to H2, means left coset is equal to right coset. Okay, this we find by these examples. Okay, the next concept that we have to see, that is index of subgroup in a group. If H is a subgroup of G, the index of H in G is the number of distinct right coset of H in G. Distinct right coset. Okay, let us see regarding this. Okay, let us try to understand this. H is a subgroup of G, and the index of H in G is a number of distinct right quotient of H in G. This is a group under the addition. Okay. Let us generate. Okay. So H plus 1, because we have addition operation. So let us see, it is a sub right quotient. Okay, let's see about the right quotient. There is HA. Here operation is star, so the operation is addition. So this is the set of all. This is 1 minus 3 प्लस अगर 1 करते हैं हम तो इट इज इक्वल टू -2, 1 plus this is -1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 2 is 3, 1 plus 3 is 4, right? क्या हो रहा है देखो, हम ऐड कर रहे हैं, क्या कर रहे हैं, ऐड कर रहे हैं. 3 plus 1 -3 plus 1 is nothing but the -2, right? -2 plus 1 is nothing but the -1. 1 plus 0 is nothing but the 1. 1 plus 1 is nothing but the 2, right? 1 plus, yeah, this thinking about the right quotient, so we have to take first element from this. So obviously this is 2 and this 3 plus 1 is nothing but the 4, right? So 4, there are 3 elements, so let us so on. ठीक है, अभी इसके लिए और मैं आगे बढ़ाता हूं h plus 2. h plus 2 करता हूं तो 3 plus 2 -3 ये है plus 2 is what, this is equal to -1. After that this is -2 plus 2 is nothing but the 0. -1 plus 2 is equal to -1, 1. After that 0 plus 2 is nothing but the 2. 1 plus 2 is nothing but the 3. This 2 plus 2 is nothing but the 4, and so on. Okay. Let us see about the h plus 3. -3 plus 3 0. -2 plus 3 -1. Right, we'll write -2 plus 3, 3 is, sorry, 1. Okay. -1 plus 3, 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay. After that 1 2 3 1 2 3, 0 plus 3 is nothing but the 3. After that 1 plus 3 is nothing but the 4. 1 plus is a 2 plus 3 is nothing but the 5. Okay, so 4 5 and so. ठीक है, और एक लेने की कोशिश कर देते हैं हम h plus 4. Okay, h+4 अगर हम ले लेते हैं तो देखो ये है -3+4, 4 - 3 is 1, -2+4, 4 - 2 is 2, right? Okay. -1+4 is nothing but the 3. 1 0 plus 4 is nothing but the 4. ठीक है, इसके अंदर हम और एक नंबर देखने की कोशिश करते हैं। ये -3 से किया है हमने, ठीक है। ये -4 + 4 अगर मैं लेता हूँ तो मुझे क्या मिलता है? 0। ठीक है, मतलब इससे क्या मिलता है हमको कि ये जो है डिस्टिंक्ट, ऐसे डिस्टिंक्ट लाइक क्वेश्चन, तो इसके अंदर जो अलग अलग है, देखो इसके अंदर अब ये तो सेम आ गया, ठीक है। तो अलग अलग कौन है? 1 2 और 3। आगे अगर हम और करते हैं +5, h+5 निकालते हैं, h+5 अगर हम निकालते हैं तो देखना दिस इज -3 + 5, 5 - 3 is 2। उसके बाद में समझो मैं ये -4 लेता हूँ, -4 + 5 is nothing but the 1। ठीक है, तो सेम एलिमेंट 0 1 2 3 4 एंड सो ऑन, we get same elements। तो डिस्टिंक्ट कोसेट कितने हैं? ये 1 2 सॉरी दिस 1 2 एंड 3, ये बाकी सब कैसे आ रहे? सेम आ रहे, ठीक है। सो if H is a subgroup of G, then the index of H in G is the number of distinct right coset of H in G, distinct right coset of H in G। ये सब G के चेहरे बनते हैं, है ना। तो डिस्टिंक्ट कितना है इसके अंदर? दिस इज H+1, H+2 एंड दिस इज H+3, एंड ये बाकी के सब कैसे आ रहे? 1 एंड द सेम आ रहे, ओके। सो 3 is the number, the index of this is nothing but the 3, okay, understand? This is what the index of subgroup in a group। So after that we will see some theorems regarding this, and here we will stop. Thank you.